Are you ready to become an Excel wizard? In this video, I'll show you 5 shortcuts that will save you hours. Plus, we'll add a fun twist. Try to guess the shortcut before I reveal it. So, let's dive in. Shortcut number 1. How do you quickly select an entire row or column? Options are A. Control plus space, B. Shift plus space, C. Alt plus space. Take a guess. The answer is Shift plus space for rows and Control plus space for columns. Super handy when working with big dataset. Next up, how do you instantly add the current date or time? Is it A. Control plus semicolon, B. Alt plus T, C. Control plus Shift plus semicolon? Did you get your answer? It's Control plus semicolon for the date and Control plus Shift plus semicolon for time. Shortcut number 3. What's the fastest way to create a chart? Your options are A. Control plus P, B. Alt plus F1, C. Control plus C. Which one do you think? The correct answer is Alt plus F1. It generates a chart in seconds. Shortcut number 4. Freeze panes. How do you freeze panes in Excel to keep your headers visible? Options are A. Alt plus W plus F, B. Control plus F, C. Shift plus F9. Make your guess. Answer is Alt plus W plus F, perfect for large spreadsheets. Last one. How do you quickly sum up a column or row? Your options are A. Alt plus equals, B. Control plus A, C. Shift plus S. Alt plus equals is the magic shortcut. It instantly adds everything for you. How many did you guess right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more time-saving tips. See you in the next video.